Legend lives on from the Chippewa on down to the big lake they call Gitchagumi.
February 24th, 2019, and we've got quite the windstorm going through. This year is down at Pier Marquette. Faced slightly northwest.
Man, look at the size of those rollers out on the horizon.
I know it, they're crazy.
Holy moly, some of those are 20-footers. This is insane. Icebergs.
Wow. Wind just blowing us all over.
Hey, at least we don't have fire ants. I'm just looking at it. You look out on the horizon, you can just see some of those swells. And it dawns on you, you know, that's 3-4 miles out. And it's like, holy crap. Goodness. For the record, that shaking is from the wind. We have sustained 50, 55 mile an hour winds right now. 90 to 100 kilometers an hour for you metric geezers. And there's a retarded seagull out there. Whole flock of them out there. See them?
No.
Straight
Oh my
ahead.
goodness, yes.
They're just having a ball in the waves.
That's crazy.
They're stupid. They must be related to the geese. Right here's a whole nother flock of them out here too.
Wow.
Free sand.
Lots of free sand.
Jeez.
Oh my goodness.
It's amazing. And the hubris of some people that think that this is nothing big, that this is a lake. It's not like the ocean. The waves get just as big on Lake of Michigan as they do in the ocean. And on top of it, the frequency is higher. There's not as long as a time period between crests, so it's a really rough ride. And oh man, wave just broke over the lighthouse. Look
Yeah,
at that.
I'm seeing it. Yeah.
You got it on the video camera?
I do.
I don't see it.
It's
Okay, there it is. And this is what I was taking care of chickens and ducks in today, guys.
better you than me.
Look at this.
I know.
Just
It's crazy.
And everybody that watches our videos, Robin, pan over here. There is not a seawall there. That is crashing onto a beach. It's not like there's a wall there where it's crashing on. This is actual onto a beach. It is incredibly impressive.
How far would you say we are from the water?
About 100 yards. About 100 meters. Alrighty. Let's get this show on the road.
All right. See y'all later.